Hi, I'm ABC Action News medical reporter Linda Hurtado. In April 2012, ABC Action News proudly launched our first annual Taking Action for Your Health initiative. For 6 weeks, we focused on areas of health that touch so many lives here in the Bay Area, such as obesity, breast cancer, and fertility problems.
My hero is Patrick, my donor.
Hannah recognizes what she and her donor now share.
I had straight blonde hair, and now I lost all my hair in the hospital, and then I got Patrick's hair.
And now the new blood brother and sister want to inspire others to be the match for someone else.
The goal of Taking Action for Your Health is to provide our viewers with the latest information, highlighting medical breakthroughs, treatment options, and preventative measures that are easy to understand and helpful to our community. And for our sponsors, it's the perfect environment to showcase your medical facility because your message is surrounded by news and information that matches your expertise and specialty. Taking Action for Your Health partners are seen as a valuable resource and provider to the community. Your partnership with a highly trusted local news source helps you be seen as an authority in your field. The promotion for this campaign is robust. Each sponsor has a clear tie-in with each weekly health topic, both on-air and online at abcactionnews.com. Here is a summary of all the elements that each Taking Action for Your Health partner receives.
Feeling healthy and feeling good about yourself. It's all about living well. I'm Linda Hurtado, and we're taking action for your health this month. We'll show you how to get to the heart of good health, whether it's losing a few pounds, dealing with stress, or eating the right foods. It's what all of us need to know. Look for our special reports on your ABC Action News station.
Taking Action for Your Health special reports are brought to you by Florida Surgical Weight Loss Centers and Be the Match. This custom vignette is branded with the Taking Action for Your Health graphic and features your CEO or other spokesperson sharing information related to the Specialty Week topic.
The best thing that we do here at Florida Surgical Weight Loss Centers is we give patients a new lease on their life. We give them the tools that they need to keep the weight off for good.
There's no words to describe me now versus me prior to this. I'm a completely different person now.
165 women will become pregnant by the time this commercial is over. If you're struggling to become one of these women, we are here to help. We have among the highest pregnancy rates in Florida. Believe, conceive, the Reproductive Medicine Group.
Thanks for running for me.
Thank you for running for me.
Join the Be the Match, Be the One run and give hope to patients in need of a marrow transplant. Take the first step at BeTheOneRun.org.
You don't have to make appointments for weeks down the road. We have access to cutting-edge drugs, cutting-edge trials. We have people that come from out of country, yet that treatment's in your backyard, in your community.
Florida Cancer Specialist and Research Institute. Visit us at flcancer.com.
News stories related to your specialty will air during your Specialty Week and include a brought to you by 5-second billboard. Adjacent to that billboard will be your 30-second commercial, and no competitive sponsors will air adjacently to these news reports during your Specialty Week.
Take a deep, cleansing inhale breath.
Tracy Birch is going back to some basics that she believes helped her get pregnant. She and her husband spent years trying. They got a diagnosis of unexplained infertility.
I went through a lot of testing. I had a surgical procedure that was basically checking out everything, repairing my fallopian tubes.
They also did intrauterine insemination and in vitro fertilization.
Ran the gamut of most all of the treatments that are out there, and it was a really difficult and stressful experience because there are a lot of poking and prodding and tests and waiting and hearing bad news.
During her medical treatment, she decided to try a mind-body program run by Kathy Fountain that
is based on about 20 years of research that shows that there is a definite connection between what you're thinking and your stress level and whether or not you're going to become pregnant.
Feeling pretty good these days.
You're not having any problems with the infusion?
No.
39-year-old Karen Babcock has an aggressive form of breast cancer.
Any problems with any new headaches, any visual problems?
And she's come to Florida Cancer Specialist and Dr. Michael Diaz to give her the best chance for not only survival, but a cancer-free life.
I've had surgeries to remove the mass that I had, and now I'm undergoing chemotherapy.
And it's what's dripping from a bag into her body in the Florida Cancer Specialist infusion room that may be setting her apart from other breast cancer patients.
This one was a camera.
Like many elementary school children, Hannah Marsh has a large family album full of photos and drawings.
She colored it for him, but he left it for her.
But the bright, playful colors are deceiving, camouflaging dark days when death hovered nearby.
That was the night before we started everything.
Started a fight for life that began with something so simple.
She woke up one morning with a nosebleed, something very simple, kind of a common thing, that a lot of kids have. And went to wipe the blood away, and there were spots all over her skin, and they were under her skin.
Rushed to the hospital, tests showed Hannah's platelet count so low it was life-threatening.
The nosebleed lasted for 4 hours. We had nurses coming in around the clock. I couldn't hold my hand up that long. At that point, they were giving her infusions left and right, platelets, blood.
Finally, a diagnosis, a difficult name for a deadly disease.
It's basically your immune system fighting from the inside out. And it attacks almost every organ, all your blood counts, all your blood cells, liver, spleen, brain, everything.
And the news kept getting worse.
It's a fatal disease. The only cure is a bone marrow transplant.
Good. We're just going to exhale on the way back, relax the shoulders.
Brian Fabryszewski is in the middle of his daily workout. He's feeling inspired after losing 85 pounds in 14 weeks.
Nice work.
High blood pressure and high cholesterol inspired him to start a program again after failing many times before.
I tried personal trainers before, and it was just, I would kind of not see results, so I kind of would just quit.
So what's working for him this time? A stronger focus on food, plus working out.
Additionally, sponsors receive 20 15-second promos driving viewers to the news reports during your specialty week. ABC Action News will air one Positively Tampa Bay news story each week during the campaign. Hosted by our Director of Community Affairs, Positively Tampa Bay airs within our 12 noon newscast. This is a tremendous opportunity for your physicians or spokespersons to come in and be interviewed to talk about new treatments, advancements in patient care, and new technology. In addition to the schedule on ABC Action News, all sponsors will get both their 60-second vignettes and their 30-second spot schedule on our digital sister station, Live Well Network. Live Well Network programming skews female and features shows about health, fitness, travel, home improvement, beauty and fashion, cooking, celebrity gossip, and saving money.